This video is part of a series of videos I'm doing on manual machining, and this machine is a KRV 2000. It's an XYZ machine. It's a turret mill, and these turret mills, they're all similar to the Bridgeport BRJ, and these are very versatile machines. You can tip the head over, you can tip it forward and backwards, you can rotate it, you do all sorts of stuff. So it's really useful for, you can tip the head right over and drill holes in the side of a part if you want to. So they're very versatile machines, and they can really access all areas. So they're really useful to have in a workshop. But they are manual machines, they're not CNC controlled. This one's got an ACU-RITE Mill Vision digital readout. It's a fairly old 1990, 89, 99, 1990 DRO, but it's still got some quite clever little functions on there. So enjoy the video. This is on the cutting speed calculator, which is included in this DRO, so you can quickly get the speed that you need for your tool. So all you tell it really is the diameter of the tool and the surface speed that you wanted, and it uses this formula that I've shown you here. If you're really interested, you don't need it because you've got this calculator, and there's loads of stuff online that'll do this for you, but this is really useful because really you can just do it on the machine without moving away, without picking up your calculator or anything like that, or your phone. What I've given you here are some average surface speeds that you can use just as a starting point. So if you've got a drill that's high speed steel, then it says mild steel, good starting point 30. If it was a solid carbide drill, which is on the right there, you would start at 150. So so use those feeds as those surface speeds as starting points. Don't worry if you can't achieve the speed that it's asking for. Press your calculator button there and again, and that's your speed calculator, and you're going to write in there, put in there your diameter of your tool,
which is 20 mil.
Yep. And then we're going to come down, and if we're given a surface speed of 30 meters a minute, if you want to clear, just press that red button, clear, and then I'm going to go in at 30, and then all I need to do is press calculate the RPM. And that's done it, yeah.
Which
and
is more like it.
And you can switch to feet per minute if you want to. Yeah, in the end you'll guess that, and you can find that out online, what surface speed you need to be running at.